So this is the nasal septum or nasal cavity.
Here we can see the anterior and concave, inferior and superior concave. We can see from there.
هنا شوف
Yes, we have seen.
هذه
And there is meatus.
Yeah. See, meatus means below. Concave means
Above.
yeah. So this is concave. This is superior, middle and inferior concave. Okay. This is superior meatus, middle meatus and inferior meatus. Meatus means the space.
Okay.
The space below this.
There are fluid. There are in meatus.
Huh?
Fluid in the meatus or what?
Fluid.
In the meatus.
No.
It's empty.
Yeah. It is like our nose.
Okay.
This is the same thing. This is nose is like this. So no fluid, nothing.
Oh, yeah.
So is there any fluid in
We
your
can't breathe.
no? No fluid. Nothing. Just air.
This is separate bone.
Yes.
This is from its mouth.
So these two are here. All the so why this is the area where you have the ethmoidal sinus. Okay. So below this, the nasolacrimal duct opens inside. So what is this?
Inferior concave.
Inferior concave. So below this concave, nasolacrimal duct opens.
Lacrimal duct.
Yes.
It's also the inferior meatus.
هنا صح؟
Yeah, inside, below the inferior concave. So in the inferior meatus.
There are any benefit of this concave?
Yeah. So what are the benefits?
We don't
The benefits, you can take
But
more,
for air.
you can take more air.
Yeah.
So when you are jogging, see if you are walking, so if I keep in your small room, what happens? So there is no space, movement of, you can't move like that.
Yeah.
So if I keep you in this room,
Space
what
form.
you will do? So you will run, you will do this thing, you will do some exercise,
yes.
and you will walk, you will cook some there, you will take bath like that. Because you have more space for your breathing. That is why we require more space.
Okay.
So what is the function of this? So what happens? Suppose example, this is the lateral wall. Okay. So what happens? Air directly comes and goes. So what? There is a problem.
Yes. It's very quickly.
So very quick, your air is going directly.
Yes.
So there is a problem. So now what happens? Air comes here. First it will go here, then it goes here like this. Then it comes down. Then it goes here. Then what happens? Then again it comes here. Then again it goes down. And then what happens? So if you have a straight road, what you will do?
Short.
Alatul 140. So if you are going to Aba, what you will do? So you will go slow. Slow, no accident. So 140 Alatul accident. So that is the same mechanism. So air is going very slowly and according to your comfort. The same mechanism.
Very clear.
Okay? And then air will go inside like this. Here it goes and then it goes in the trachea and then goes to the lungs.
What about the sinus? Where is the maxillary and
Maxillary sinus is here. So this is the maxillary bone. So inside this bone.
is the bigger sinus?
Yeah, this one. Same like this is the, what is this? This is the sphenoid sinus.
What's behind it?
Yes, this is the sphenoid sinus here. And This one is sphenoid sinus. And here, what is this? This is the frontal sinus here. Again, see here. This is also sphenoid sinus. And here, this is the frontal sinus. So, ethmoidal sinus, all these here. So, in this. So that is why all these sinuses, that is why nose and nasal cavity sinuses, they are connected to each other.
What about the floor, roof, and lateral wall of nasal cavity?
Floor?
Roof and floor.
So what is the floor?
Ground.
Yeah, here. This is the floor.
This floor.
So this is the roof.
Roof.
This one is the roof here, and this is the floor.
This is floor.
Of the roof. Which base of the cranium.
Yes. What is there? Read it. We will go word by word.
Just this
Narrow
floor.
movement from behind,
Floor.
forward, left,
Floor.
and
Floor.
anterior
This is
nasal
roof.
bone, nasal
Okay.
process of frontal bone.
So what is there?
Nasal process of the anterior bone, frontal bone.
floor مع
So
البلاتين.
anteriorly, what you have?
Okay, the roof is separated anterior and posterior.
Yes. In the roof, again you have parts. So what is there in the roof?
We have anteriorly is nasal bone and nasal process of frontal bone.
Yes. So where it is? Okay. See. So what is this?
Roof.
This is the roof.
Roof, yes.
Okay. So what is this bone?
The frontal.
So this is the frontal bone. So when you see the sutures, open one more slide.
ولا حتى انتهي جملة عمالقة.
المهم الشطحة.
والله المانجا
والله
حلوة
كنت احرق عليكم المانجا.
First lecture.
أول لك شيء.
أكيد المانجا لسه كثير بعد
استرجع.
ها؟ بيسوون شابتر ثاني شفتها؟ لا لا قصدي الفرق بين الانمي والمانجا يعني بيسوون الجزء الرابع يصير الشابتر الثاني زي الثالث
كيف؟ بيسوون مو قال واحد.
لا بينزل جزء جديد
شكله متابع.
اوه صح.
اليوم احسن حركه الجروب.
مسكين.
اصلا بقى شابتر واحد يخلص
لو
المانجا.
بيستفرج
إيه، بقى
وخلص
كم
ولا شابتر. كيف بلاها بس؟
والله حلو
خلاص كتب. اي انا بقى 10 حلقات عشان اخلص.
انا ما لقيت شيء. حماس اسمع حماس يا اخوان. لا تحرق يا خالد. من برا هنا
مسكين عادي. من هنا ومن هنا.
يا رجال انا اهم شيء عندي احرق على
So what is here?
على الدنيا.
على عبد الله
الله يبارك.
So it is like this.
الله يرضيك
شوف
So what is this? This is the nasal bone. And then, so what is this? This is the frontal bone. So in the frontal bone, there are different parts. Okay. So only this small part here, from here to here.
Frontal.
Frontal process of nasal.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes.
So what is the sentence?
Frontal.
Nasal bone
Nasal
and
frontal bone.
nasal process of frontal bone. What is process?
Is
this?
projection.
Yes.
Make it a pen.
خلوا بيني اقول لك.
Small, thin. So this is,
Okay.
space
And
nasal
then?
process of frontal bone.
this is the frontal bone.
Okay.
This is the small piece.
Okay.
Small piece. Process means projection. Small projection. And here, this is the nasal bone. And here, same like. So there are. This is the anterior wall, front.
Yes.
So anterior wall, it is having what bone?
واضح
Frontal process of
واضح في الجسم.
nasal bone and nasal bone. You got it?
Yes, doctor.
Then what is the next sentence?
Posterior is body of sphenoid.
Body of spinal.
This is sphenoid.
So what is there? What is this?
This is sphenoid sinus.
Sphenoid sinus. So this is the body here.
Okay.
This part. So this is anterior and this is posterior of
Okay.
the roof.
Okay. Middle.
So in the middle, so this is anterior, this is posterior.
Okay, this is middle.
Something should be there in between.
Yes.
So what is there in between? Cribriform plate of ethmoid bone. Why it is ethmoid bone?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So why it is ethmoid bone? So this is anterior, okay. This is posterior. This is the body of sphenoid.
Spine. Okay.
So this is
The middle.
in the middle. What is there? What is this bone?
This is ethmoid bone.
So this is the small plate of the ethmoid bone.
This is of the middle.
Yeah. So there are nasal bone from the
Anterior.
frontal and nasal bone, and then body of sphenoid, and then plate of ethmoid.
Okay.
Now, so the floor. So what is the floor?
Hard palate.
So this is the
Hard palate and soft palate.
yeah. See here.
So,
This is the floor. This one. So what we are seeing
hard.
inside this? What we are seeing? The inside structure. So what is this?
Inferior concave.
This is the
inferior
inferior
concave.
concave.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the
Middle.
middle and superior.
About inferior concave, there is space inside the bone.
Yes. Okay.
الحين الهارد بلت فسرت ولا بس الهارد؟ دكتور just hard بلت.
Yes.
So concave can't be a bone, right? Because it's a space.
Concave.
It's a bone, right?
Yes.
الحين ايش بتكتب على المقطع هذا؟
Meatus is a space.
So concave is
Concave is not a concave. Is just like a.
دكتور
This is
اسم
concave.
اللكتشر بعد.
Okay. Hard. Flat. Inside this is meatus.
نفس الاسبوع اللي فات.
Yep. Doctor, this what's mean lightening the skull? Lightening the skull.
Lightening the skull. It will make a light. You will. The
هذا
bulb-
العواكس.
you will have a vision. No, not like that. So lighten the skull means what happens? Like if you put the air in the balloon and then you will throw in the water. What will happen?
It's
It will floating.
yes.
Okay.
So what will happen? In the balloon, in the balloon, if you put one stone and then throw in the water,
You
it will
drop
go
it.
down.
Yes.
So same mechanism. So all this sinus, inside this sinus there is a air.
Okay.
So that is why our skull is light.
Yes.
So lighten means it is not weight. So if there is no air,
Spongy.
so yeah, if there no spongy, if there is no air,
Yes.
what will happen?
Very heavy.
It will become very heavy. So what happens when you get cold? Huh? What happens? So you will have headache. You will have headache and sneezing. Yes. So what happens? So all these sinuses, they are filled by some infections. Okay.
Okay.
So if there is an infection, that infection is like a stone.
So it will
So
freeze.
then, so what will happen?
It's very
So now
contained.
I will keep 10 kilo on your head.
Okay.
What will happen? For sometimes, for 5 minutes, so you will wait. And after 5 minutes, it will start pain.
Yes.
The same mechanism. It is the same mechanism. So if there is an infection, then you can't move your
And you
head,
have headache.
headache
Severe
and everything.
Coma. Like this.
So that is why always we should keep our ear, nose and throat clean.
Of course.
This is the mechanism of lightens the air.
باقي شيء ولا نقفل المقطع؟
قفل ده.